New details now. It's tax season and many people across the valley are filing their income taxes. Well, tonight we're hearing from a government watchdog group who says the IRS isn't doing enough to keep taxpayers safe. Channel 5 Steve Solis joins us live in our studio to explain. Steve?
Here, the information we use to file our taxes very sensitive when we typically do all we can to protect it. But tonight, the Government Accountability Office says that's not the case when it comes to the IRS. Now, the IRS has worked to reduce its backlog of identity theft cases. They've also formed a team to improve its handling of these cases. The IRS Taxpayer Protection Program is formed to figure out who's legit and who's trying to commit fraud. But unfortunately, the GAO says the IRS is still handing out fraudulent refunds. The GAO's Jessica Lucas-Judy says the IRS handed out at least $2.2 billion in fraudulent refunds just last year.
We did find one case where IRS ended up paying more than $9,000 in a refund that should not have been paid. And what happened there was there had been a hold placed on the case while it was being reviewed for potential identity theft.
Lucas-Judy says that hold eventually expired and the IRS gave out that cash. And the GAO says one way to prevent this from happening is to require stronger taxpayer authentication. And the GAO is also recommending the IRS consider a better way to make sure a taxpayer is actually who they say they are. The report from the GAO says the IRS does not notify taxpayers when a defendant's identity appears on a fraudulent return. That too is something the GAO wants the IRS to address. Live in studio, Steve Solis, Channel 5 News at 10.